morning everyone. My name is Ashley. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am going to speak about Kamarajar. Kamarajar was a great Indian independence activist and politician. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar. He took part in various Kamarajar was the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 9 years. The reign of Kamarajar period is called as the Golden Period of Tamil Nadu. He built many schools and provided free education for all and started the free midday meal scheme. He was the man who never went to school but listened to open thousands of schools in Tamil Nadu. That's why his birthday is celebrated as Educational Development Day in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.